Skeleton's Lair, Bowling Green, Kentucky. Hot facade action. Let's get it done. Hey people, this is Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs. We got up at the crack of dawn today and drove for 4.5 hours to get to Bowling Green, Kentucky from Netherworld in Georgia. So we arrived, threw my paint clothes on and onto the facade. Big old sculpted skull with cool rocks around the side. The guys had just got done hopper gunning with plaster and other things, and we made that piece sweet. So hey, enjoy the pics, transitions, and the video, and thank you so much for watching. More coming. We got hot floor actions tomorrow. You guys take care, and we'll see you in the next video. And hey, stay to the end so you can see the finished product. Thanks a lot.